Daily affirmations to stay inspired and focused. Motivation topics. Affirmations are powerful, positive statements that can transform how you think, feel, and act. By consistently repeating affirmations, you can reprogram your mindset, boost confidence, and maintain focus on your goals. Daily affirmations are especially effective in helping you stay inspired and motivated, even in the face of challenges. This article explores the science behind affirmations, their benefits, and how to create and use affirmations that keep you inspired and focused every day. Understanding affirmations. Affirmations are rooted in the idea that thoughts influence actions. They are concise, positive statements designed to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging or negative thoughts. When practiced regularly, affirmations can change your mindset, increase self-belief, and enhance your overall sense of purpose. 1. How affirmations work. The brain can remarkably adapt and rewire itself based on repeated experiences and thoughts, a concept known as neuroplasticity. When you repeat affirmations, you reinforce positive thought patterns, which can reduce stress and anxiety, boost motivation and focus, strengthen your belief in your abilities. 2. The science behind affirmations. Research suggests that affirmations activate the brain's reward system. By affirming positive thoughts, you stimulate neural pathways associated with optimism and resilience, enabling you to maintain focus and inspiration. Benefits of daily affirmations. Daily affirmations provide numerous psychological and emotional benefits, including 1. Increased motivation. Affirmations help you focus on your goals and remind you of your potential. By envisioning success, you feel more motivated to take action. 2. Improved confidence. Repeating affirmations builds self-esteem by reinforcing your strengths and abilities. It helps you counter self-doubt and fear of failure. 3. Greater resilience. Life is filled with challenges, but affirmations help you cultivate a resilient mindset, enabling you to bounce back from setbacks. 4. Enhanced focus. When you start your day with affirmations, you set a clear intention for what you want to achieve. This clarity helps you prioritize your tasks and stay productive. 5. Emotional balance. Positive affirmations reduce stress and promote a sense of calm, helping you manage emotions effectively throughout the day. How to create effective affirmations. To maximize the power of affirmations, follow these steps to create personalized, impactful statements. 1. Be specific. Avoid vague affirmations like "I want to be successful." Instead, specify what success means to you. For example, "I am capable of achieving my career goals." 2. Use the present tense. Frame affirmations as if the desired outcome is already actual. For instance, say, "I am confident and focused" rather than "I will be confident and focused." 3. Keep it positive. Focus on what you want to achieve, not what you want to avoid. Replace "I am not afraid" with "I am courageous and strong." 4. Align with your values. Your affirmations should reflect your core beliefs and values. If family, health, or creativity is essential, include these in your affirmations. 5. Make it believable. Those affirmations that resonate with you and feel attainable. Unrealistic affirmations may lead to frustration. 6. Keep them short and clear. Simple, concise affirmations are easier to remember and repeat consistently. Examples of daily affirmations. Here are affirmations categorized by specific areas of life. 1. Morning affirmations. To start the day, I wake up with energy and excitement for the day ahead. Today, I will focus on what truly matters. I am grateful for this new day and the opportunities it brings. 2. Affirmations for inspiration. I am creative and full of innovative ideas. My passion fuels me to achieve great things. I am inspired by the possibilities around me. 3. Affirmations for focus. I stay focused on my tasks and easily complete them. Distractions have no power over me. I control my attention. I prioritize my goals and work on them consistently. 4. Affirmations for overcoming challenges. I am resilient and can handle any challenge. Every obstacle is an opportunity to grow stronger. I trust my ability to find solutions to problems. 5. Affirmations for confidence. I believe in my skills and talents. I am worthy of success and happiness. I approach every situation with confidence and courage. 6. Affirmations for personal growth. I learn and grow every day. I embrace change and see it as a path to growth. I am committed to becoming the best version of myself. 7. Affirmations for gratitude and positivity. I am thankful for the good things in my life. I focus on positivity and let go of negativity. Happiness is my choice, and I choose it daily. How to incorporate affirmations into your routine. Consistency is key to making affirmations a habit. Here's how to incorporate them into your daily routine. 1. Start your day with affirmations. Begin your morning by repeating affirmations to set a positive tone for the day. Say them out loud, write them down, or meditate on them. 2. Use visual reminders. Place affirmation cards or sticky notes where you'll see them frequently on your mirror, desk, or phone wallpaper. 3. Pair affirmations with activity. Escom affirmations with daily habits, like saying them while brushing your teeth, exercising, or commuting. 4. Write in a journal. Dedicate time each day to journaling your affirmations and reflecting on their meaning. 5. Practice mindfulness during moments of stress or doubt. Take a few deep breaths and repeat affirmations to regain focus and calm. 6. End your day with gratitude. At night, reflect on the day's accomplishments and repeat affirmations of gratitude and self-acknowledgement. Tips for maximizing the impact of affirmations. 1. Believe in your affirmations. Power of affirmations lies in genuine belief. Visualize the affirmation as your reality and feel its truth. 2. Repeat them regular. Consistency reinforces positive neural pathways. Aim to repeat affirmations daily, even multiple times a day. 3. Use visualization. Imagine yourself living the affirmation. For example, if your affirmation is "I am confident," picture yourself confidently handling a specific situation. 4. Personalize your affirmation. Tailor affirmations to your unique goals and aspirations for maximum relevance and impact. 5. Combine affirmations with action. Affirmations alone are not enough. Pair them with actionable steps toward your goals. Overcoming common challenges with affirmations. 1. Doubt in affirmations. If affirmations feel untrue, start with more general statements like "I am working toward confidence" rather than "I am confident." 2. Forgetting to use them. Set reminders on your phone or create a habit tracker to ensure consistency. 3. Lack of immediate results. Affirmations take time to reshape thought patterns. Be patient and persistent. The long-term benefits of daily affirmations. As you consistently practice affirmations, you'll notice transformative changes, including enhanced self-awareness and mindfulness, greater resilience in overcoming challenges, stronger focus on personal and professional goals, a more positive outlook on life. Conclusion. Daily affirmations are a powerful tool for staying inspired and focused in a world of distractions and challenges. By incorporating affirmations into your routine, you can cultivate a resilient, optimistic, and goal-oriented mindset. Remember, consistency, belief, and action are the keys to success. Start your journey today by crafting affirmations that resonate with your goals and values. With time and dedication, these affirmations will empower you to achieve your dreams and lead a more fulfilling life.